Bonjour French 1. Today's lesson is all about school supplies. Some of them will seem a little bit out of place, but they're considering all of the classes that you may have at school. For example, with this first section, the reason why we're talking about sneakers and shorts and sweatshirts and t-shirts is because they're thinking about you having to dress out for your gym class. So even though some of them seem out of place at first, when you start considering some other things that you might need in your school day, you'll be surprised how much you might need to know. As always, I'll pause after each word so that you can repeat after me. The word for sneakers or tennis shoes are des baskets. Again, as always, the reason why that F is there in parentheses is because you can't tell from the word des that basket is actually feminine. It's not to say that you actually need to write the letter F in parentheses after the words, nor do we pronounce it. It's there as an FYI to you whenever you look back at your notes. Hey, tennis shoes are feminine. It comes in particular handiness whenever you have to start using colors to describe the color of your basketball or your tennis shoes. And that you'll have to make the color feminine and plural to make it match feminine plural sneakers. All right, continuing on, the French word for shorts is un short. The word for a sweatshirt is un t-shirt or sweatshirt. And the word for a t-shirt is un t-shirt. Now we get into some traditional school supplies for class, including the French word for a notebook, which is un cahier, a binder, which is un classeur, a pencil, which is un crayon, a sheet of paper, which is une feuille de papier, an eraser, which is une gomme, a book, which is un livre, a backpack, which you can either just call a bag, which would just be un sac, or if you add the words à dos to it, à dos is for your back, so a bag for your back is a backpack. That would altogether be un sac à dos. A pen is un stylo. A pencil sharpener is un taille-crayon. And then a pencil case, something that you might carry your pencils and pens in so they don't get lost in your backpack, is une trousse. Another thing that you may need for some specialty classes such as art class, we've learned this earlier in the year, but just as a reminder, a colored pencil is un crayon de couleur. For math class, you might also need une calculatrice, which is a calculator, or une règle, which is a ruler. For English class or a foreign language class, you may need a dictionary, which in French is un dictionnaire. And then finally, a couple other things. Definitely not a supply for school, but something that a lot of people talk about shopping for around school time. Un mobile is a cell phone, and then also portable is considered to be both the words for a cell phone or a laptop. I know it doesn't say it originally on your notes, but you might want to go ahead and change that because I've seen them use it for both, whether it's a portable phone or a portable computer, they'll use the words portable. That'll wrap up your school supplies list and get us going on talking about shopping for school supplies in class. Make sure you bring this back with you so we can start practicing.